This allows for air and oxygen to inhale. This is called apnea. With little or no airflow in the lungs, there's a decrease in blood oxygen levels.